Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you straight away and from the beginning. I almost burned the apartment, but at least we have something to eat. Beautiful stew with seafood, fish and some vegetables. So let's start. In this video we're going to make like a type of stew. I went to the supermarket and bought a couple of different seafoods. We have clams, crabs, shrimp and yellowtail snapper. Yeah, everything nice, you know. We have a stock that I'm usually making from shells of shrimps that are left from previous videos, and I'm going to link you a couple of them here if you want to watch them. But the stock already done. If you want the recipe of it, bring the conversation to the comments below and let me know, because the channel is growing and thank you very much for watching, but we need to bring the conversation, talk. I want to engage both sides, not one side. I'm talking to you. I want you talking to me also sometimes. So a couple of vegetables. We have red potatoes that we going to put in the oven. Already I have a couple in the oven. Yeah, we're going to roast them and cook them in the oven. After that we're going to put them in the stew. Let's start with the clams and I'm going to explain you. Clams, same as mussels, yeah? Going to soak them in cold water with salt in advance to allow them to a little bit open, get rid of all the sand inside, yeah? Now we're going to check the ones that are open. We're going to keep them and see if they're actually going to close. If they're not closing, they are dead. We're not going to use them. So we'll go over them, yeah? Then as for our fish, we're going to fillet it. So come closer, take a look. I'm going to take one fillet, cut it in the middle and make like 2 pieces of one. So instead of giving 1 piece, you're giving 2 pieces, you know? Make everybody happy. So, but don't tell anybody, yeah? Just between us. We're going to clean the shrimp, yeah? Just the shell, heads, we're going to keep them. A lot of flavor, very nice here. Just with the fingers, take the shell off. Usually when I'm making like a stew soup or like something with the sauce, prefer to take the tail off. Then you're going to have the shrimp with the head. Beautiful. We're going to take a knife, or if you have a fish scissors, the scissors, cut the back and beautiful. Now it's clean. For the crabs, they're already clean. I did them yesterday, they were alive. So I prefer, I don't know who is watching, so I prefer not to show live creatures here and some people killing them. So they're clean, already with the meat, legs, shells and the bones of the fish. Keep, make stock. You see? This way you're reusing it and it's still always you have something for the next time. And now we're going to start work on the vegetables. Celery, we're going to cut a little bit with the angle, give it a nice shape. Cherry tomatoes, we're going to cut in half. Greens, scallion, the green part of the onion, already cut, made like a nice decoration. The white one, just roughly. Coriander and colander, we're going to take everything and chop fine. 2 cloves of garlic, yeah? And just to let you know, you have all the ingredients and the method of cooking in the description below. So whenever you have time, go and check it. So next, we have the onion. We're going to slice it, a cup of julienne, and what we have left, cherry tomato done, celery done, fennel. I'm going to make like nice cubes, yeah? For the potatoes, they're already done. We have here the raw one, just to show you, and the one that already baked. I just take the potatoes, same as gnocchi, yeah? You put a little bit ghost salt, put the potatoes, give them, depending on the size of the potatoes, those one like 25 minutes done, they're like medium small size. We're going to cut them also roughly and use them in the soup. So let's put everything on a plate and move to the cooking station. Let me explain you how we're going to do it, because it's going to be very fast and I don't have time to run back and forth and move the camera, yeah, because I'm also the producer here. So pot already on the heat, 9 out of 9. We really want it very hot, yeah. We're going to start with our vegetables, fennel, onion and celery. Give it a nice crust with the oil, yeah. Take it out straight away. After that we're going to put a little bit more oil, crabs and the clams. Close with the lid, let it steam for exactly 10 seconds, and after that we're going to add the wine. Woo! If you have a fire alarm, better to take it off, otherwise all the building is going to run. Disaster. Add the wine, let it steam. If you need and you have a balcony, take it outside. Let it steam. Woo! Beautiful. When it's calm, now we're going to add the cherry tomato as we said, and the stock, already warm. Salt, yeah, and pepper. For me it's beautiful. Now we're going to add the potatoes. We're going to create like a type of bed, yeah, potatoes, vegetables, all the greens, and all the shrimp. When everything is inside, we're going to close. It's going to continue cook here until we see that the shrimp already changed color and they are fully cooked. Then just turn it off. Season the fish, pepper, salt, and let's start searing it. We're going to do it with olive oil to give it a nice taste. Put the fish, press it a little bit to make this skin nice and crispy. So, when the fish is already halfway through, we're going to flip it. Yeah, very nice color, very nice crust. Yeah, beautiful. Good thing I have the dough. You know, you don't see it, but it's exactly here. I'm looking outside. So, after all of this, just time to plate. I'm going to give you a choice. Yeah, you need to tell me in the comments below which one you're going to look better. The stew, beautifully cooked, amazing. And we have croutons. You can eat it with bread. I like to put also croutons in it, very nice. Lemon croutons that I'm making. Fennel leaves and scallion, the green one that I told you. I'm going to put on top. And that's it. A little bit olive oil. Okay. And lime zest. How without, you know, to give it nice refreshness. Make sure to put the fish in the stew. If you need, move the things around. So, and this is how you make an amazing and simple, of course, without almost burning the apartment and the building, you know, but seafood stew with simple ingredients. So, make sure to let me know which one of them you prefer in the comments below. Also, what do you think about this video? And if you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because we have more of those coming up every week. Give it a thumbs up and see you next week. Thank you very much for watching. I'm Andrei. This is Think of Food.